Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Figma enthusiasts, excited to take your design to the next level with Framer? In the 2024 tutorial, we'll walk you throughout the process of importing your Figma projects into Framer. Whether you are new to Framer or looking to integrate Figma into your prototyping workflow, this video is tailored just for you. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So, in this video guys, there was few requirements that's going to be needed. The first thing is your Figma account. You should simply have a Figma account and have already a project within Figma. So there we go, I'm gonna just sign in into my account really quickly and very fast, and let's manage to create a very simple project within Figma that's gonna help us throughout our video. So there we go, I'm gonna go design file. Should we create a new one or just go on with this one? I don't know, let's keep up with this one. Let's go with this one. For example, I'm just gonna delete a couple of things right here in this area, so let's just zoom out. How can we do that? All right, there we go. So now what I'm gonna do is to basically remove everything from this picture. So get developer mode, I'm like a current plan, let's just keep up with this plan. And here in this video guys, we're basically going to create everything from zero. So to create everything from zero in Figma, it could be a little bit hard, but trust me guys, it's gonna be all easy and simple. So the first thing within Figma we have to create is a shape. So let's get here a shape and let's decide what we're gonna do with this shape. So here I'm gonna just give it a color. For example, I want it to be this color. We can make it gradient if we would like to, but I'm not really that interested in it at the moment. Let's just make it like that, like so. And yeah, we have here like a decent shape or a decent rectangle. So here with this shape, what we're gonna do is add kind of like a form. So let's add another shape within this shape, and it's gonna be another rectangle, which is gonna be basically our login form that we're gonna create. So let's match the shape and let's make some corners into it. So let's go right here, and I'm gonna add 20. 20 is too much, I guess, so 15. Alright, 15 seems to be decent. So there we go guys, now we have this. I'm gonna simply just remove this color. I want it to be white, and also I want it to be a little bit less opacity. So the opacity here has to go some kind all the way down. I guess this has to be good, or let's add a bit. All right, this is good. So what we're gonna do is to copy this. Let me just do that real quick. Copy this one, add another layer right below it, and they have to be close to each other. Here in this area, I'm gonna simply add a small text that is gonna be login and password. So let's add here a text, login, our username, and this is gonna be like so. It has to be in gray, and I'm gonna add it in this area, so it's gonna be something like that. Let me just add it to be like so. All right, this is visible, and here I'm gonna copy it, paste it, and drag it all the way down here in the middle, so it can be in the same place as the other one. And let's rename it to be password. So there we go, we have here password. Now we need a button that's gonna be our sign up or the submit button. So it's gonna be another rectangle that's gonna be added right here, and basically, or we can copy this one, to be honest. All right, let's adjust it to become a little bit smaller, and yeah, we can add it right here. The color, let's make it, for example, white, and we can add a text at the top of it right here, log in, and basically this is pretty decent for now. So here we have a design. Let's just make it red as this one, and yeah, this is pretty simple. So now we have this kind of simple version of a login page. We can add here like a text login our clients area, and we can make it white, we can make it like text here. We can change the text to be whatever we want. Something like that could be good. We can simply just change that and make the font, not the font, but we can make the actual text bigger so it can be more visible. And yeah, this is perfectly good for me. So it's, yeah, this is good. So now we are going to learn how we can transform this design to Framer. So the first thing, guys, here we have to paste. So we have to install the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin. So simply click right here on this link and they are going to take us to Figma where we can download this Figma to HTML with Framer. So open in, and here we need to open it in entitled. So I'm gonna open it in entitled, which is the project that we are using at the moment or working on, and I'm going to click on run. After I did that, I'm going to go back right here and in Figma select what you want to copy. Go to Figma menu, plugins, Figma to HTML with Framer. So I'm going to select everything from here, and basically after that I have to go to the Figma menu and go for plugins and choose Figma to HTML with Framer. After that I'm gonna click on copy to clipboard as you have seen, and now I simply have to go to Framer and new project, and after that, as they are telling us, in frame open new exist browser and paste the canvas. So there we go. Click Ctrl V and click on dismiss, and there we have it. We have created our rectangles and our basically the design that we have made in Figma inside of Framer successfully. There will be a couple of glitches that has to be correctly done. For example, the text right here, a couple of things that has to be corrected. Here, let me just zoom in 100%. So there is some couple of things that are basically not necessary that has to be like that. For example, this rectangle number 4, the text is not colored the way I want it to be, or now it is colored. Now let me just find this one and move it around. Okay, so there is some couple of things that has to be correctly done. This is something that you can't hide really in Framer, which as rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. This is just as names of the layers, so you can't really hide them within Framer. They are very annoying, but yeah, this is how Framer really works, so you can't really hide it or do anything about it at the moment. But this is how you can successfully drag any kind of project from your Figma account. As you saw, we have created it in front of you and we have simply imported it inside of Framer right in front of you guys. So yeah, this is basically it. All you needed in this video is this very cool and easy to add plugin, which is Figma to HTML with Framer. You can find it in the plugin section within Figma. So you can go right here, go to plugins, and you can manage plugins right here. If you didn't have it right here already, manage plugins and you will find it. So guys, that was it. Thanks a lot and see you guys in the next tutorial.